Hyacinths are native to the Mediterranean region from Greece and Turkey, Syria and Lebanon, and Israel in the east. This genus includes 30 species, most of which grow in open woodland. Hyacinths, they are popular garden plants, grown for their fragrant bell-shaped flowers. The flowers are usually blue, pink, and white, and they bloom in the spring. Hyacinths are also used in cut flower arrangements. They're easy to grow, and they can be grown in a variety of soils and climates. And they prefer well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Hyacinths can be grown in full sun or partial shade. To grow hyacinths, just plant them in the fall about 6 inches deep and 4 inches apart. Water the bulbs well after planting and mulch them with a layer of compost or straw. Hyacinths will bloom in the spring, and they continue to bloom for several weeks. And after the flowers have faded, allow the foliage to die back naturally so that the bulbs can store energy for the next growing season. Here's some hyacinths that are just starting to grow. And then there's some down in there in blue and pink. The arrangement of bulbs in my gardens is pretty thick. Here's some nice pink ones. There's some more pink ones. To plant hyacinths, I just put my spade in there about 6 inches deep, then push it forward, and then grab the bulb and put the pointed end at the top and the roots at the bottom, and just set it in there at the bottom of the hole. Pull the spade out and push the dirt back, and you can even, if you want, put some compost over the top of it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel. And thanks a lot. Goodbye.